Okay, to make the template, you're first going to need a thick piece of cardstock, something pretty durable that you can cut this out of, because the template is going to be used several times during the construction. So I'm going to start by drawing the center line. And then I'm going to just select a point for the bottom and draw it in square to the center line. And then I'm going to begin to lay out the template as you see it on the template layout page in the plans. The key to this is to mark out the points where the curves touch the layout. And you can make any changes to the shape of the guitar at this point. This template will determine the final shape of the guitar, as we'll use it throughout the construction. Now once you have it laid out, you can use either a flexible ruler, as I'm using here, or a French curve. Now I'm just going to sort of rough in an idea of what shape I want to give me a little guideline as to how to lay out the curves. Now I'm just taking the flexible ruler and finalizing that shape. Make sure that your transition from one curve to the next is nice and smooth. And take your time with this curve. The curve at the top where the cutaways are, that's one of the trickier curves. Just make sure it looks good and you get the shape that you really want. Now once you have it drawn in, take a scrap piece of wood or cardstock and put under there so that we can cut through the template material. And I'm going to start by cutting out the center line. And then move along to the outer edges. And then start cutting out the curves. Now don't try and cut through all at once. You'll need to make several passes. The important part is to keep the curves nice and smooth. And now that you've got it cut out, just make sure that everything looks good, that it's the shape that you want, that the curves flow really well. If there's any areas you need to correct them now.